Greeting dear children, we are doing chapter 8 of mathematics, that is comparing quantities. We had done for questions like marked price, discount, etc. So in continuation with this in lecture 5, let us do the question. We had done question number 1 and question number 2. Now we are on the question number question number 6. Let us start the question number 6 of this exercise 8.2. What is given here? During a sale, a shopkeeper offered a discount percent 10%. The discount percent is 10% on the what is given here on all the items. What a customer have to pay for a pair of jeans. Mark price of what is mark price of pair of jeans is rupees 1450 and simultaneously 2 shirt pieces, cost of 2 shirts is shirts mark price is equal to, because 850 rupees is each, to rupees 850 into 2, that is equal to rupees 1700. And because 10% discount is on both, so discount in rupees is equal to 10% of marked price. That is 10 upon 100. Marked price is 1450. So this is 145 rupees is the discount in rupees. And discount we get on what? Discount is obtained on the marked price. So selling price of pair of jeans is equal to rupees 1450 minus 145. 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus 4 is 0, and 4 minus 1, this is the selling price of pair of jeans. Same way, this is given shirts mark price, this discount percent 10%, discount in rupees. I think now you will be also able to do these kinds of questions because they are on the similar lines. 10% of 1700. So that will be 170 rupees. So selling price will be equal to mark price minus discount in rupees. So we will subtract discount from the mark price, and that will be 1700 minus 170. This is rupees 1530. This is the shirt price, selling price of 2 shirts. So total selling price will be equal to rupees 1305 plus 1530. 1530. What will be the answer? Rupees 2835. I think it is clear to you. Now, same way you can do the question number Question number 9 and 10 are on the same line. Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount was 20%. If the amount he pays is rupees 1600, after discount he is paying this much and we have to find the marked price. How we will start the question? Let the marked price be rupees X. We will get this discount percent. Discount percent is 20%. So 20% of X we will calculate. That will be discount in rupees. From marked price, discount in rupees will be subtracted. That will be selling price. This selling price in X will be equated to 1600 and we will get the value of X. That is the marked price. Let us do all together. I am doing, you also try. You can pause my video and try yourself. Let us do that question. Question number 9. Discount percent is 20%. I am writing selling price because Arun has bought after discount. Money paid after discount. Money paid after discount, that is equal to selling price, is equal to what is given? Rupees 1600, and we have to find mark price. Let mark price be rupees X. Discount in rupees. You have to keep in mind discount is always given on the mark price. Discount in rupees is 20% of marked price. 20% means this of this. So this is rupees X by 5. This is discount. So what will be the selling price? Yeah, discounted price. Price after discount. How much? That will be marked price minus discount in rupees. Marked price was X minus X by 5. Take the LCM. 5x minus x. So what is this? 4x by 5. But this price after discount, what is given? 1600. So I can compare it with 1600. 4x by 5 is equal to 1600. So what will be the value of x? 1600 into 5 by 4 rupees. What will be the value? 2000. It means the thing which was marked at rupees 2000, which was bearing the tag of rupees 2000, after 20% discount, it is available in 1600 rupees. Have you got this question? Now, see, you have to keep in mind always that always discount is given on the marked price. Whatever marked price is, if marked price is given, then we can simply find the discount in rupees. But if it is not given, we will have to assume let marked price is rupees X, discount in rupees will always be obtained on marked price in X terms, and after subtracting this discount from the marked price, whatever value will be obtained, that will be the value of discounted price. Okay? It can be called as selling price, it can be called as cost price. Selling price is for the shopkeeper and cost price, this is the cost price for the customer. Okay? So you have not to be confused for what is it a selling price or it is a cost price. हैव यू गॉट दिस माई पॉइंट कि दिस इज द सेलिंग प्राइस फॉर द businessman who is selling. But if I am as a customer going to purchase after the discount, then it is for me, this is a cost price. Like here, it is cost price for Arun because he has bought the scales. Now, question number 10, you can do, I purchased a hair dryer for rupees 5,400, including 8% VAT. Now listen everybody, as discount is there and we subtract the value from the marked price. Similarly in VAT means value added tax, we add this value in the marked price. अगर हम कहीं से कोई चीज खरीदते हैं और उस पर टैक्स लगता है, आप कभी रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खाने जाते हैं तो वहां पे वैट लगा होता है, 8% वैट, कई चीजों के ऊपर, कई आइटम्स के ऊपर मॉल से शॉपिंग करते हैं, वहां लिखा होता है वैट इतने परसेंट, किसी पे 8%, किसी पे 12%, 24%. तो ये वैट माना वैल्यू एडेड टैक्स, इट इज एडेड इनटू द मार्क प्राइस. सो मार्क प्राइस दोनों केसेस में इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर डिस्काउंट का क्वेश्चन है तो मार्क प्राइस में से डिस्काउंट माइनस होगा, पर अगर ये क्वेश्चन किसका है, वैट का है, तो वैल्यू एडेड टैक्स इन रुपीज मार्क प्राइस में ऐड होगा. करेक्ट? ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Question number 10 is, let the marked price, क्योंकि वैट किस पे ऐड होना है, मार्क प्राइस पे. लेट द मार्क प्राइस बी रुपीज x. ठीक है. एंड वैट परसेंट, that is value added tax. VAT percentage, because it is tax, so it has to be added. तो 8%. तो VAT in rupees is equal to 8% of x. 8 rupees में कैलकुलेट करें. This is 4 2s and 4 25s. तो VAT in rupees आ गया, 2 into x is 2x by 25. अब ये वैट है, टैक्स है, तो टैक्स हमेशा ऐड करेंगे. Therefore, value price after tax is equal to, therefore price after tax is equal to x plus 2x by 25. What is the meaning of this? Mark price plus tax in rupees. टैक्स को मार्क प्राइस में ऐड कर देंगे. तो एलसीएम ले लें. x अपॉन 1 था तो 25. जब भी प्लस माइनस हो, डिनोमिनेटर डिफरेंट हो, तो हमें एलसीएम लेना चाहिए. तो दिस विल बी 25x प्लस 2x. तो इट इज रुपीज 27x बाय 25. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू गिवन क्या है, प्राइस आफ्टर टैक्स कितना है, रुपीज 5400. अकॉर्डिंग टू गिवन प्राइस आफ्टर टैक्स इज रुपीज 5400. तो इसका मतलब 27x बाय 25 इज इक्वल टू रुपीज 5400. क्रॉस कर दें. x इज इक्वल टू 5400 इंटू 25 अपॉन 27. 27 2 जा 54 होता है, तो डायरेक्टली आ गया मेरे पास. एंड आंसर इज रुपीज 25 2s are 50 and 2 more zeros. It means the thing was having the cost. This mark price was rupees 5000. 5000 की चीज 8% टैक्स के बाद हमें कितने में मिली, 5400 रुपीज में. Is that clear? So with this we have completed all the questions which are based on VAT or discount. Now you will be able to do the try these of page 124 and 125. Do yourself do try these of page 124, 25. Question number 1 and 2. This is your homework. You will be able to do now. Everybody will give the response, or you can ask the doubt.